Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us for this CloudPlum event named Challenges Managing Virtual Environments. My name is Amit Golan, and I'm Vice President of Product for BDNA, and I'm excited to be here with you this morning. Now, before I talk about challenges, let's talk about virtualization in general. Virtualization is a good thing. In fact, it's a great thing. Virtualization has changed the way IT manages itself. It has delivered tangible results and benefits both to IT and businesses. It has spun off many interesting initiatives. However, just like any good thing, virtualization has challenges. Now, what many people think about when they hear the word challenges and virtualization within the same sentence is visual sprawl. Visual sprawl, according to Enterprise Management Associates, is the uncontrolled proliferation of virtualization and virtual machines as a result of the ease of deployment, I should almost say the unbearable ease of deployment, along with the reduction of visibility into IT asset utilization that is at the very core of what we call virtualization. According to this survey by Gartner, apparently visual sprawl is the single biggest challenge when virtualization is discussed. There are other challenges out there, among which are virtualization candidate selection, for example. I will focus in this presentation on visual sprawl and touch upon virtualization candidates as well towards the end, because there's a lot of interesting information and a lot of goodness that we can do around solving that issue as well. Now, visual sprawl is a result of virtualization, so we have a cause and effect relationship here. What's fascinating about visual sprawl is that many of the benefits that virtualization has promised to deliver in various areas such as licensing costs, policy enforcement, resource usage, or staffing are reflected almost in a mirror image as disadvantages as a result of visual sprawl. So the same areas, licensing costs, policy enforcement, etc., are in fact exacerbated by visual sprawl. So it's interesting to see how the very issues that you are hoping to alleviate or solve with virtualization are in fact worsened by visual sprawl. This is a very old truism. Everybody knows that, right? You cannot improve what you cannot measure. If you want to improve employee productivity, you need to be able to measure employee productivity. Which is not a simple thing, right? But in order to move from A to B, you need to be able to measure A, and you need to be able to measure B, and only then will you be able to design a path that will lead you from the starting point to your end goal. And that leads us to the conclusion that if we want to be able to manage virtual sprawl, the place to start is by gaining a comprehensive and accurate visibility into virtual and physical environments. If we don't have that, then we don't have any baseline from which we can start and improve the adverse effects of virtual sprawl. Now, during this presentation, I'm going to touch upon each of the areas that were mentioned as challenges with regards to visual sprawl, and I will also state how BDNA can help alleviate those. BDNA's offering for virtualization includes the BDNA Insight, which is an automatic discovery product that's completely agentless and helps create a comprehensive IT baseline for both physical and virtual environments. So it gets installed, and then it spawns processes that will discover everything that is in your IT domain. And then on top of that, we have the BDNA catalog, which is the repository